Dear students, good morning to all. This is the time for your computer class, and as you know that in our previous computer class we have completed our lesson number 2, that was about Windows 7. So many of the students have already sent me their work PDF of chapter 1 and 2. So I request those students have not submitted their work of chapter 1 2, kindly send it by Sunday. Okay. So today we will start our lesson number 3. The title of lesson 3 is using mail merge. So students, mail merge is a feature of MS Word, and it is very important feature which we can use in our daily life, or as well as it is very useful for the business organizations. So let we understand about mail merge. Today we will discuss about only introduction part of this lesson, and practical part we will provide you in our next class. Okay, so let's start. What is mail merge? So students, in any business it is often required to send letter with similar information to different people. The letters include the name and address of each recipient to be printed on the top. So the changing the address each time would be very long process and big wastage of time and effort. So students, that means in a business or in our personal life, if we want to send a same kind of letter to different people, then we should place each recipient address and their name on the top of each letter. So this become very long process and big wastage of time and effort. So we need a medium where we can send same kind of letter to multiple persons within a fraction of time, means small time we can take for sending same kind of letter to different people. So mail merge feature is used to combine a data source with the main document. Yes students, using mail merge feature of MS Word we can do it. We can send same kind of letter, that is called main document, to a large number of people. That number of people's address and their name we can store in our data source. Okay, it saves over time and less time required to send letter at multiple address. So here students, we need not to put separate address and name on each letter. We have to just combine our main document, means our letter which is to be sent, that is called main document, and it is to be combined with the data source. In the data source we can provide the name, address and all the information about the persons where we want to send this letter. You can see the diagram of our book also. So let us see the main element of mail merge feature. So the first element of mail merge feature is data source. Data source consists of mailing list, for example name, address, city, pin, telephone number, etc. The data is organized in a tabular form along with the field name. The data source is associated with the main document. So its field name can be used in the main document, and it become easy to merge addresses along with the main document. Yes students, if we want to send same kind of letter to multiple persons, then we can easily do it with mail merge feature. It saves over lots of time and energy, because here we need not to put separate name and separate address on each letter. We have to create our letter only one time, and we have to combine this letter with our data source. Data source means in data source we have to manage all recipient list. You can see the recipient list, it is just like a tabular form. So whenever we perform mail merge feature, we have to firstly create the data source. The data source is the listing of recipient. You can say that the recipient list who will receive your letter. Okay, and the main document, it contains the text that we wish to send to all the recipients. Yes students, main document will be the letter which is to be sent. So you have to create a letter only one time. and you can send this letter to multiple recipients with the use of data source, because data source will be combined with main document. And in data source we can manage different kinds of fields about recipient like name, address, city, and also you can merge this kind of field into our main document. Okay, so there is a point, that is merge field. It is a data item such as name, address, city, pin, which instruct MS Word where to insert the data, name, address, such kind of data information in the main document. Yes students, suppose you want to add recipient name on the top of letter, then you have to merge the field, that is name. If you want to put address of your recipient on the top of letter after name, then you have to merge the field, that is address. So you can take any of the field from the data source table and you can merge that field into your main document. Main document is the letter. Okay, so mail merge involve 3 basic steps. First of all, you have to create a main document. Main document means your letter which is to be sent. Next, specify the data source, means you have to create a recipient list who will receive your letters. Okay, so you can define your fields according to your requirement like name, address, city, pin, email, etc. And merging the data source with the main document. After creating main document and data source, you have to merge them, you have to combine them, and after that you can merge any field with your main document. You can take any field name with the data source like name, address, city, and you can merge it with your main document according to the position where this information to be displayed. So students, I hope you understand that mail merge feature is used to send a same letter to multiple persons at the same time. It saves our lots of energy and lots of time, because here we need not to put separate name and separate address and all the information on again and again on the same letter. We have to create main document means our letter only one time, and we have to create a data source, that is recipient list. And after creating main document and data source, we have to combine them. Okay, and during combining or merging data source with main document, we can merge fields. Means if you want to put recipient name on the top of letter, then you can take a field that is name from the data source. Similarly, if you want to show the address of your recipient on the top of your letter, you can merge the field, that is address, from the data source. So student, it is very easy to performing mail merge. So in our next class we will performing mail merge feature in MS Word with practical. Okay, so in this class you have to understand this concept only. I am not showing you practical for mail merge today, because today it is the time to understand this concept clearly. Okay, what is mail merge, what is the importance of mail merge, what is main document, data source, and merge field. And when we perform practical, you can understand it more clearly. Okay, so if you have any doubts for understanding this concept mail merge, you can ask me anytime, and you have to read it from your book, you have to revise it. And what is the importance of mail merge, you know very well. In our personal life, in our business world, you can see that there are many kinds of requirement. If we want to send birthday card or any party invitation to our friends, so it saves our lots of time and energy also, because here we need not to put all friends name, address and their information again and again. You have to create your letter or your card only first time, and you can create the recipient list, your friend list, and you have to combine this list with your letter or card. Okay, so you can understand it. Okay, if you have problem you can ask me. I am ending this class. So thanks for taking this class. Have a nice day.